with your own duties and responsibilities. Whatever responsibility you have, your daughter, your wife, they have also, she has also responsibility with you, everything. Your own responsibility to maintain that. And just know so many obstacles would be there that we have to face. Krishna namo sudha koriya pan, judayo bhakoti binodo pran, nam vina kichu nahi karo, chaudo bhuvana majhe. Krishna nam sudha means nectar. Koriya pran, drink as much as you can, constantly. Constantly drink about it. Jura bhakoti vinodapan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained that make me extremely blissful. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur make a comment about holy name. What he said? Nammina kichu nahi karo. There is no any other religiosity exists. And no other religiosity exists in this 14 planetary system. Chaudya Bhuvan. If you accept Bhaktivinoda Thakur is our Acharya, then we should follow it. Acharya's explanation. Rupa Goswami also explained that. Janamodhe Prabhu. Could you please make silent? He doesn't know English. Could you please make silent? Silent, please. Thank you. So, Janamodheyo Munibindrageyo Janaranjanayo Paramakshara Kriti Tamanadaradopi Janaranjanayo. The chanting will pacify all our problems, illuminate all our problems, and reveal our actual relation with the Lord. Realize what his name is. Name, holy name, is not different from Lord. That we have to realize. Janaranjanaya Paramakshara Kriti. Paramakshara. A transcendental word. Paramakshara. Tamana dharadopi mana udiritam. Means, like in this regard, in this point of Bhaktivinoda says, Tava salpo purti pai, ugrotapo dure jai, linga bhango ayana ase. If little bit realization we have, chanting realization, Ugrotap, all the depression, all the distress, illuminate, or completely removed or kicked out. Like a holy name is not different from Lord. when Lord appeared to us, then immediately all the darkness, why we are distressed? We are in the darkness. Darkness is Maya. Maya will release us. To mana dara dopi mana udiritam nikhila ugratapa patali bilum pushi. All the depression, distress will gradually illuminate. Therefore, practicing this path of devotion, most important part, to chant Hare, chant attentively without offense, with firm faith. Attentively without offense, with firm faith. This is the most important part. But due to lack of faith, we are chanting inattentively. Just like as a duty you are chanting. When you are chanting as a duty, Lord says, okay, your bad karma will destroy, but you are not able to get prem. Bad karma's consequence will destroy, but we are not able to get prem through the prem. No prem, no service. Therefore, I always inspire people to chant Harinam more. Why? Because this is the main key point of spiritual practice in this iron age of deception. If you engage yourself with chanting, then automatically all the faults, all the weak point will be stronger. Weak point, stronger means like whatever we have some understanding which is not favorable for Shastra, favorable for our spiritual life, it is going up. When it is make our also understanding that this is my mistake, I have to rectify. Most important part, when you understand our mistakes and rectify, when you have regretting, is the most important. Regretting most important. Sometimes we are thinking, what I am doing, we are right. This is not Vaishnava's path. Vaishnava path always full faith on love, full loving faith on worshipful deities, worshipful form, Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan. Like you can see that Daku Ratnakar, Mafia Ratnakar, you know that history. Mafia Ratnakar, how many bad karma exist? He committed everything. That is the reason he was not able to pronounce Ram in his tongue. Instead of Ram, he was pronouncing Maram, Maram, Maram. But he kept sound faith on his Guru, Narad Muni. Sound faith on holy name. Then Maram, 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 appear Ram, pure name. This is the key point. Faith on holy name, faith on our spiritual master. A spiritual master, not individual. Spiritual master means entire parampara. Yeah.
Like me, if I have done in past some offense unto my Guru Maharaj, and Guru Maharaj does not know. Like in mind, by mind, there can be small offense. Sometimes we, because of weak buddhi, something, some mistake can happen. So that does that Guru Maharaj can.
Listen, first of all, Guru is a Vaishnava. For a disciple, Guru is the greatest Vaishnava among the all Vaishnava community. And who is real Vaishnava, they are not accepting any offense from anyone. But sometimes, most of the time, Krishna not actually releasing, unless or until we are not regretting for it or forgiveness from the bottom of our heart. Not like a formal forgiveness. The most important part. Krishna is not a ferocious, like a tiger, lion. Krishna is loving embodiment of peace, embodiment of happiness, embodiment of bliss. He always look what is your intention actual. Do you understand what he said? In home, which language you are talking? Hindi.
We basically from Chandigarh, so we speak in Hindi.
Okay. हमारा सब कुछ मिक्सिंग हो गया. अंग्रेजी कभी कभार रसियन भी बोलना पड़ता, स्पेनिश भी बोलना पड़ता, लेकिन ज़्यादा कुछ जानता नहीं, ज़्यादा हमारा पता नहीं, बोल देता. हमारा गुरुजी का तो किताब निकाला, माने गुरुजी का जीवन ही निकाला. I published the books this year. Only one book available. One book, Guru Maharaj's biography, what I published in different languages. Only one book here now. That is belongs to us. You can show them. Actually, I told them to send here at least 10-15 pieces. I like to distribute here.
I have read on Maharaj Gopinath site also. And
This is Hindi, Bengali, English. It is also, Narendra Modi also write his homage.
yeah, homage. It is there on that.
Really?
Yeah, I have read that. I follow Maharaj your YouTube where last now you were doing Damodar Ashtakam in the Kartik. I saw that also when you were singing. And I have heard your Harikatha on you were talking about Maya. What do we need to handle? How we need to, we have to.
I forget. I am emotional person. I am actually emotional person. When I sit, I never think what I'm going to speak. What are first word coming to my mouth, starting from that point. Therefore, you can see, you can watch. I am not any subject. I'm going to just speaking, spontaneously speaking.
but they have made Maharaj 7 minutes of. I think they have made a clips of your
Really?
vachan.
That I don't know.
They have made 7th
When I was
Maharaj.
speaking, just speaking, some clips they make.
So they put up, so it comes automatically when you. I'm following, like I follow Shri Bhakti Vallabh Tirth Maharaj, so I hear him also. So if I see, I get to see. I have seen your video also. Last video when I saw you were serving prashadam to everyone. In one video which I.
This is my nature. If they allow me, I am always distributing. I like to be active. Physically, mentally, active, always. This is my nature. If you want books, then you can speak to our Jagneshwar Prabhu. No, this book is not, it's just he will not allow.
Second day I'll ask Chandrasekhar Prabhu to send once again. He can send.
She can order. Chandrasekhar from Chandigarh, he from Chandigarh. Punjabi.
चंडीगढ़ महाराज में हम जाते नहीं.
No, Chandigarh. Actually, originally from Chandigarh, but he is living at Faridabad now. You can ask about Jogeshwar Prabhu, he will arrange you. English books, they are not coming yet.
I like Hindi Maharaj. Except
But Bengali, same style, same design, same, just cover page little bit different than Bengali. But other, this first, originally I wrote in English, then they translated in different language, Spanish, English, Chinese, Russian, Bengali, Hindi. This lockdown is actually beneficial for me. This I wrote this book lockdown time.
during lockdown Maharaj.
Yes. Lockdown time, this, I went to Vrindavan, March 20 or 19 March. And after the lockdown, the 6 months I was there, I wrote it in 1 month.
In 1 month this book.
I wrote in 1 month in English language, then I sent. Then everybody translating and printing. This is translated by our Nimai Prabhu from Delhi. Nimai Prabhu. And Bengali, English to Bengali translated by Vishnu Priya Devi, who is my cousin. Spanish translated by one of our godfather from Panama. His name is Janardhan Prabhu Lakshmi Priya Devi. Chinese, I don't know his name, but one name I know, this is Chaitanya Das. Who is editing, I don't know. He translated that. Tamil is now translating, started. Tamil.
Almost all languages of.
A congregational member is there everywhere. So few people doesn't know Tamil and English, other language. But Tamil I have several members here. I have in Tamil territory, we have several centers and members also. So they need to know about my Gurudeva's strategy. Actually, therefore I put the name of the books. After 22 years, no one knows. I put the books, name of the books. Okay. The first I wrote, it was A Century of Devotion, the name of the book was. Now several devotees complain, no, why century? Only 100 years, eternal. Okay, change this. a divine কি বলে দিব্য পরমার্থিক রত্ন
Divya Paramarthi.
রত্ন then I put the hidden, this is my choice, hidden transcendental gem. Then the change of the divine person.
Which is your favorite chapter in this Maharaj?
It was my flow. I just wrote. A picture, this said here.
No, not picture. So which part you think you had to,
I make three part here. Entire Gaudiya history, because Gurudev came to Gaudiya Math in 1915, during the day of Srila Gaur Krishna Maharaj's disappearance. Before, he had a relation with Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Godfather, Bhakti Ratna Thakur, also Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Gurudev, Bipin Bihari Goswami. So all the history here. So that people can understand the Gaudiya history as well as culture and Gurudev biography, three. This is really this is good to know about. Not like I'm not always speaking about my Gurudev, my Gurudev, my Gurudev. Everybody connected. Bhaktivedanta Kesava Goswami Maharaj, how he started his mission, how he and Gurudev, 1941, how they together started Devananda Gaudiya Math, Bhakti Raksha Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj, how it was, I just, search the Guru Maharaj's letter, diary, very difficult to understand because so much dilapidated condition was. Just read and carefully. But we are 2%, we are there. 2-3% they are searching, and I'm just giving the dictation. 1% is typing. In 1 month I finished the books in English language. This is very nice for a devotee who wants to know the history, and a brief history of Gaudiya Math, entire Gaudiya Math, Vaishnava culture, as well as my Gurudev's life history. Three angle I kept.
In the morning you were telling about the 5 symptoms of a sadhu, no?
Mm-hmm.
Extreme tolerance and niskam, without any expectations of any recognition, being very calm. So what are the other two?
26 quality of Vaishnava.
Yeah, but main 5 you said something.
And then 5 I also explained that it is explained by Mahamuni Vedabhyash in Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd canto or 5th canto. What I explained there, morning time, it is Mahamuni Vedabhyash explained. And what 26 quality explained by our Chaitanya Charitamrita, this Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explained. Kripalu Akritadho Sattva Sarasamo Nirdas Bhadanamidu. It's such a 26 quality. Our main quality This is Mahaprabhu also explained. Tranada Pishunichena Tarori Vashaishnuna Amani Namanodena Kirtanya. This Amani and Manodena, this point such a touchy point is very difficult to follow in our life. Amani, to become completely free from material recognition, appreciation, distinction, name, fame, desire. It is very rare. Until we are not able to realize this is mortal life, nothing stable.
Because that man, that appreciation gives happiness. That's why people want it. That's I feel like.
Yeah, this is temporary happiness.
Temporary happiness too.
This. You can see people are in a position, material position, sometimes then they are. There is a Bengali song. Aje Raja kal se fakir, borate ki khel. Doshira sab kete for. But Aje Raja, today a king. Huh? Today you are a king, tomorrow fakir means beggar. Today you can see all the IT field, they are suffering. Now, so most of the people I saw, they lost their job. Before they were so happy. If you are not extremely expertise in IT section, then you have a job from home. But mostly you can see they lost their job. And IT field has such a field. If you are just sitting 1 year, 2 years in home, when you go to interview, they say, why you are sitting there? Why you are not working? Then company will not allow. Any questions? Because he read all books, 18 Purans, 108 Upanishads, everything is he read. Huh?
Now she can take sannyas.
Hey, Chaitanya Bhaiva Katha, Chaitanya Pure. Look what he's doing. কি করতে দেখাও? बात करो. So this is the situation. Huh? Do you have any question, Prabhu? No question.
Maharaj, have you visited Chandigarh Gaudiya Math, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math?
Several times. During the time of Bhakti Vallabha Tirtha Goswami Maharaj.
Nishkinchan Maharaj.
That Nishkinchan Maharaj has actually first 5 years of my renounced life, it was in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. And for my childhood, mostly I used to go Adi Math, Chaitanya Math, because my grandfather was Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta disciples. So he always taking us there. Then eventually because my Chaitanya Gaudiya Math was two rupees bus journey from our home in Calcutta. So I used to go there. Even I used to go there on the Bagbajar Gaudiya Math. Because Bagbajar Gaudiya Math and our by school, it was 40 paise lunch fare. My school and Bagbajar Gaudiya Math, 40 paise lunch fare. I used to go there from my student life. I go all the places. So I have connection with everyone. But when I started my spiritual life, my renounced life, because my spiritual master was in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. So my spiritual master engaged me for his services, his personal services. Therefore I was there 5 years. And 5 years I stayed in there, Calcutta temple. Then after that, Bhaktivedanta Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, often he used to invite me for his festival in Ram Navami. Ram Navami day, Srila Maharaj's appearance. I used to go there. That time I was Nishkinchan Maharaj's temple president. So he, and even 3-4 times I just went there. Just went to Chandigarh to meet with one. Forget the name. Arun Mittal. Mittal? Arun Mittal. He had printing books. So I went to meet with him because I wanted to print in English language Jaiva Dharma. But Arun Mittal told me that he need 500 copies books, and that period, it was 1993, and he need 500 copies books plus 50,000, 80,000 rupees. No. My demand was, he will print, I forget that. It was a long time before, I forget. My demand was 50,000 rupees plus 500 books. Then he said, you will take my market. So why print your books? I have to make my market. In that way, just in conversation, finally I'm not printing the books.
Any memories with Param Gurudev Sri Narayan Maharaj?
I recently, I wrote my homage about him. One devotee asked me to write my homage. I wrote it and sent it. Several incidents, almost 3 pages. I wrote, I don't know how many. And whatever I saw, because mostly I was connected to Chaitanya Gaudiya Math. And after my Guru Maharaj's physical departure, it was challenged to manage Guru Maharaj's temple. Everybody running, this nowadays, like people are thinking like my devotees are thinking like physically Gurudev expired means, so Gurudev is not anymore. A Guru eternally always presence in spirit. Other than due to lack of faith, they are always running here, there. So it was the problem. So practically, closely, in a practical sense, you could say, closely we are not always with Maharaj. Srila Narayan Maharaj. Occasionally I met with him. Sometime I went to invite him to attend a Guru Maharaj's festival. How he react, means how he attentively listen my invitation and also attend that, and what he spoke. That I explained in the letter. And then several times also I visited Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math, Kesavji Gaudiya Math, Mathura. So that time, what conversation took place over there, that I explained in that. So also there is few days before his physical departure, I met with him at Delhi Math, Janakpuri Gaudiya Math. I met with him there. Just he returned from South Africa, then I met. I also came from USA. And everybody talk about this. Maharaj is here. Let's go to meet with him. In that way, I met with him. Whatever I remember, I just composed that. You can see that. His centennial ceremony. The magazine they are going to publish that. I don't know they will publish or not. I don't know.
You were talking about material, that you said no, it's material happiness. So during the spiritual progress, I mean, if you can share your experience, like sometimes you feel that we are in the neither world, the material happiness, not feel spiritual happiness, not attain yet completely. So sometimes you get spiritual happiness, but sometimes you don't get it. Fluctuation is always there. So
First of all, spiritual happiness, when you get it, it is always eternal. Spiritual happiness, like a real spiritual happiness, always eternal.
no, sometimes like if you like listening to Harikatha or some very deep Hare Krishna chanting, you kind of feel that thing. But again, when you are out of that environment, so you are in this environment of right now in where this all sadhus are here, and all the Hare Krishna mantra is going on, chanting Harikatha is going on. But when you are away from that, suddenly again you are out of that spiritual happiness. So at that time, what I'm trying to say is, sometimes we feel that we are in the neither world. We know that this material happiness is temporary. We don't want it and we just reject it. But then we are not getting that also when we are not in such kind of association or such kind of people.
Yeah, this is called actually still we are in the stage of material thing. No? But my point is that when you have real spiritual happiness, it never destroys. Spiritual is eternal. But
with
no.
this material body, how far can we experience that spiritual bliss? If the divine bliss, if it starts coming, then this body will no longer even exist.
Listen,
If you really get that frame and
there is no connection. The body is like on boat, like a boat to cross the ocean. Maybe you are able to cross the ocean maybe few kilometers. Again you will take birth again. No, life after life after life. You should go ahead. And if you are really chanting without offense in this lifetime, Srila Prabhupada says, in this lifetime, Prabhupada means Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, He says, in this lifetime, will be delivered. Because spirituality means what? Spirituality means fixing our mind towards Lord and His services. That's all. So when our mind have been fixed, now our mind sometime jumping here, sometime jumping there, but we have sincerity. Lord, give us chance, the continue the sincerity. Eventually it will fix. If it have been fixed when it have been fixed, you are not able to manage your any material responsibility. Fully absorbed. Mahaprabhu showing us, Nayanangalada Sudharaya Vadanangadagudaruddhaya Giram Pulakoi Nichitanga Bopu Kadata Manamo Gone Bhavishyati. Nayan means eyes will full of tears. Throat will choked. Unable to pronounce properly. Like Lord Chaitanya when he entered to Lord Jagannath temple, he was not able to pronounce properly. Jaga 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 jaga, in that way, choked. And Pulaka Nichitanga Bopu, Pulak means pleasure. Bopu means body. Body will full of pleasure, symptom. It's just like contradiction, Eyes, we know, it is distress. But here again he says, Pulako Iduchitanga Bopu. Pulak, pleasure. Full of pleasure in body. Why? Because we realize, Lord, but we feel separation, Lord can leave me. You can see how Mahaprabhu realized the Vipralambha in Jagannath Puri. What he said? Kaha Krishna Pananad Murali Badan. Hey, look, Krishna playing flute. Kaha jao, kaha pao. When he go, then he disappeared. That feel always in our glance, Krishna, Radharani, all the pastimes will reveal. That bliss is eternal. Pulakaya nichitanga bopu. Kadata banama gohane bhavishyati means always chanting.
Like temporary spiritual bliss. It has to be eternal. So once you get, it will stay forever.
Once you get, now there is a namabhash, semblance of name. Different type of patibimba namabhas, reflection, chayanavas, shadow. So namabhas is not a pure name, is not offensive name. It's a middle stage. So when we are in the stage of namabhas, it may come. Rameshwari Devi told me to say something on the books to show this. I like to speak that about books. What good question?
What is inner meaning why Balaram did not assist to Kurukshetra battle?
Because Balaram is Guru. Guru never destroy any part.
Second, how do we stop our vasana because it hinders?
Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This is very blissful news for Gaudiya Vaishnava. These books you can see Dibba Paramarthik Ratna in Hindi language. These books originally written in English language. After that, these English language books have been translated by different devotee in different language, like Bengali, Hindi, Spanish, Russian, Chinese, so far 6 languages. And now we are proceeding to translate in Tamil language. Soon it will publish Tamil language. Anyway, this book is my spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur's life history. This book is life history of my spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. This book have three sections. If anyone read the books, they are immediately understand the Gaudiya history, Gaudiya culture, as well as my Gurudeva's biography. Therefore, I am introducing you. Please try to buy the books. There is several places you can get the books from our Vrindavan Gopinath Gaudiya Math or Gopinath Gaudiya Center. You can have these books. And if you are a Hindi reader, you can have Hindi books from Delhi and Vrindavan. So I am suggesting you and all that please get the books from our temples. They are selling in this book in exchange of 400 rupees. So I hope you will be benefited to read the books. It is spiritually benefited to read the books. एक किताब हम लोग गुरुदेव का तिरुभाव तिथि में निकाला. अभी तो 3 लैंग्वेज में निकाला हमारा ख्याल से. ये जो किताब दिखा रहा आपको, ये किताब हिंदी लैंग्वेज में है. ये किताब गुरुजी का जीवनी है. ये जीवनी अच्छा पढ़ने से भक्ति मिलेगा ही मिलेगा सबको, क्योंकि गुरुजी, हमारा गुरुजी हिज डिवाइन ग्रेस नित्यलीला प्रविष्टों विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी ठाकुर 1898 साल बांग्लादेश जसोर जिला में आविर्भूत होकर के किस तरीका से जन्म से पड़ोसी थे. पड़ोसी भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर का एक गुरु भाई भक्ति रत्न ठाकुर, पड़ोसी का द्वारा गौड़ीय सिद्धांत में निपुण हो करके धीरे धीरे भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर का गुरुजी विपिन बिहारी गोस्वामी और भक्ति रत्न ठाकुर, भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर का गुरु भाई और भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर के साथ भी दर्शन करके सारी का सबका आशीर्वाद ले करके किस तरीका से विमला प्रसाद मतलब गौड़ीय मठ का प्रतिष्ठाता, मूल प्रतिष्ठाता विमला प्रसाद जब संन्यास भी नहीं लिया, 1915 साल गौर किशोर दास बाबा जी महाराज जी का शरीर छोड़ने का दिन विमला प्रसाद के साथ मिला, सारी चीज आ जाएगा। और हमारा गुरुजी स्वभाव से इतना दीनता कहीं अभी तक हम तो देखा नहीं। हमारा आंखों से हम उनका जो दीनता देखा, वो दीनता सबको शिक्षा दिया। कभी कभार हम सुना भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज, भक्ति वल्लभ तीर्थ गोस्वामी महाराज बोलते थे जे महाप्रभु शिक्षाष्टक का तृतीय श्लोक त्रिनादपि श्लोक का मूर्त विग्रह हमारा गुरुजी भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी ठाकुर हमारा संप्रदाय का यही एक संपद है, इस प्रकार बोलते थे। तो जो भी हो, हमारा कहने का मतलब यही है कि जो आप लोग एक किताब को खरीद कर लो। पैसा नहीं तो हमारा प्रभु जी है, चंद्रशेखर प्रभु जी है, और माने केवल फरीदाबाद में, दिल्ली का फरीदाबाद में चंद्रशेखर प्रभु जी है, और रमेश्वरी देवी है, उनके साथ संपर्क कीजिए और लोग कुछ करवा देगा। ये किताब पढ़ने से फायदा क्या सुनिए, तो वैष्णवेर गुणगान करिले जीवेर तान, ये हमारा पूर्व आचार्य बताया। तो एक किताब में हमारा जितना गुरुजी का गुरु भाई, गुरुजी किस तरीका से कैसे मिला सबके साथ, किस तरीका से व्यवहार किया, दुनिया में हर एक प्रकार प्रॉब्लम तो हो ही सकता हुआ, लेकिन वो सारी प्रॉब्लम, सारी जो समस्या, जो बाधा किस तरीका से गुरुजी टाला, वैष्णव तरीका से किस तरीके से, किस रूप से टाला, ये भी तुम आपका पूरा जानकारी हो जाएगा। इसीलिए हमारा कहने का मतलब है कि एक किताब लेने से गुरुजी का जीवन कहानी तो पता चलेगा ही, इसके साथ साथ गौड़ीय मठ का इतिहास और गौड़ीय कल्चर, संस्कार किस रूप से होना चाहिए, सब कुछ पता चलेगा। जो भी हो, एक किताब को जैसे भी है पढ़ लो। किताब में बहुत तरीका से तो देखा जाएगा, तस्वीर है किताब का। देखो यहीं पे दिव्य पारमार्थिक रत्न, यहीं पे गुरुजी राधा गोपीनाथ जी का, उनका दिल में हर टाइम राधा गोपीनाथ जी थे, गौर गदाधर राधा गोपीनाथ। देखो राधा गोपीनाथ के आशीर्वाद से गुरुजी रत्नों का अंदर में बैठ रहा। ऐसा क्यों नाम दिया, आपका प्रश्न भी हो सकता दिल में, तो ऐसा क्यों ना आज हमारा किताब निकाला, गुरुजी का किताब निकाला, लेकिन ऐसा निकालना चाहिए था साथ साथ उनका शरीर जब साक्षात रूप से विराजमान थे उसी टाइम निकाला हमारा उचित था। लेकिन उनका विचार कि हम तो, हमारा नाम था, जन्म से नाम था, निक नेम था तीन कोड़ी मतलब 3 सी सेल। तो हमको लेकर के कुछ फलावटी मतलब आरंभ मत करो, इसलिए हम लोग हमारा सब डर लगता, गुरुजी क्या सोचेगा, उनका कोई कहानी लिखेगा, लिख के लोगों को बोलेगा तो लोग उनका मन में तो आनंद नहीं हो सकता। तो सचमुच दिल से प्रशंसा नहीं चाहते थे गुरुजी। तो उसी टाइम हम लोग एक कहानी लिख नहीं सके। उसके बाद 1999 22 नवंबर शरीर छोड़ दिया। शरीर छोड़ने से बाद आज 21 साल बीत गया, तब आज इतना अच्छा कहानी जगत में प्रकाश हुआ। और एक कहानी पढ़ने से बाद आज का दिन में भारत का जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र दामोदर मोदी जी, वो भी उनका होमेज लिखा। और जो गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी, वो भी उनका होमेज लिखा। और उड़ीसा का राजा गुरु जी का कहानी पढ़ के तो उनको वो भी होमेज लिखा, दिव्य सिंहदेव। और प्रताप सारंगी, एमएससी मंत्री प्रताप सारंगी भी उनका होमेज लिखा इसमें। और अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, गुरुजी 100 वर्ष पूर्ति जब गुरुजी शरीर से साक्षात रूप से हमारे साथ थे, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी भी लिखा था उसी टाइम। सब कुछ ये लिखा है और सचमुच अच्छा किताब है। आज आप पढ़िए ना, पढ़ने से बाद देखिए ना एक किस तरीका से वैष्णव धर्म हम लोग पालन करने, किस तरीका से पालन करने से हमारा प्रेम मिलेगा, किस तरीका से जितना दुनिया का आसक्ति हम लोग छोड़ सकता, ये सारी गुरुजी का जीवन कहानी में मिल जाएगा। आप लीजिए किताब और किताब का मैंने वैष्णव कहानी का लाभ उठाओ। कहानी पढ़ने से क्या ना जीवेर त्राण, भक्ति बढ़ता, भक्ति बढ़ने से प्रेम होता, और प्रेम से हम लोग इस दुनिया से उद्धार हो सकता। हरे कृष्णा, हरि बोल।